Hello everyone. So here we are given four statements about the compilation process of a C program. So you have to find out that which of the following statements, that is these statements, are false. Okay. So you have to find the false statement out of these statements. And these are the options which are given to you. So I will start the timer and you can read all these statements and you can pause the video and you can find the answer. So correct answer for this question is option D. That means the statement 1 and statement 2 both are false. That means this statement is false and this statement is false. So let's understand each of these statements one by one and let's understand what is the reason for them for being true or false. So for understanding all these statements, you should know what is the compilation process of a C program. That is how a C program is compiled and what are the different phases in that compilation process. So let's say you are having a file hello.c and it has some program written in C language. So these are all the steps which are showing that what are the different phases when you compile a C program. So you have to be careful that what we are talking, we are saying that when we compile the program, then how the hello.exe will be formed from this hello.c. We are not running this program. Running program means when we get hello.exe after the compilation process, then we will run this hello.exe. So when we hit the compile button, our source code or the hello.c file will be given to the preprocessor. Okay. So this preprocessor will be actually converting our hello.c into a new file called hello.i. Okay. So this will have the hash include stdio.h. This will be present in our hello.c file. So stdio.h will be replaced by its code using the preprocessor, and preprocessor will also replace the macros which are written using the hash define. So after we have got this hello.i, this file will be given to the compiler. Then compiler will convert this file into this intermediate file. Either it can be hello.s or hello.sm. It depends on the compiler. Now after we have got this file, then this file is given to the assembler. And assembler, what it will do? It will take this file. So what this file will be having? So this file will be actually assembly language program. Okay, all the instructions written inside this hello.s or hello.sm will be in the assembly language. So this assembly language code will be given to the assembler, or you can say this assembly language come under the category of low level language program. Okay, so after this assembly program is given to the assembler, it will convert this file into a hello.o or hello.out file. So these are called object files. The files which have .o or .out extension, these are the object files. Now here comes the linker. So what is the role of the linker? So as the name suggests, linker links something. So what it will link? So it will take our object file, let's say hello.out or let's say hello.o, and it will link printf.o and scanf.o, which are already present with the compiler. So linker will link all these files which are actually required, and after linking phase is over, linker will give us a new file called hello.exe. So this is a executable file, and .exe is with respect to your Windows. For example, if you are working in Linux, then you will get some another file, let's say hello, and this will have its own extension, right? So this is the final file that we got after our compilation process of a C program is over. Now let's understand each statements one by one. So first line says assembly language code is generated by the linker. So here you can see assembly code is not generated by the linker. It was generated by the compiler. So that means this statement is false. Okay. Now let's see the second statement. It says syntax errors can be detected during the linking process of C program as well. So actually all the syntax errors, they are caught by the compiler, not by the linker. The work of the linker is to combine the various object files. So that's why this statement is also false. Now let's see the third statement. It says during the pre-processing of the C code, hash include replaces the stdio.h by its code, and then the code is sent to the compiler. So it says that during the pre-processing, all the things of the stdio.h, it will be replaced by its actual code. And then the file which we have got after the preprocessor phase, it will be sent to the compiler. So this statement is correct. We have seen that during the preprocessing, we will be replacing all the code of the stdio.h and we will be getting a new file which will be given to the compiler. So this is true. And last statement is linker combines the output of a compiler or assembler to a single executable file. So this is also correct. So in some cases, it can happen that assembler will not be a part of the compiler. Compiler will directly give the file to the linker. So linker can take the output file from the compiler or it can take the object file from the assembler also. The main work of the linker will be to link those object files. So that's why this fourth statement is also true. So we saw statement 1 and statement 2 both are false. That's why our option D was correct. So I hope you have understood the solution. If you have any query, comment, please write down into the comment box and do not forget to like and share this video. So now let's see the next question.